Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to do accumulator on Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in bet365.com. Once you press enter, you'll be taken to this page. On this page, you'll have to log into your account, so click on this login button, then enter your login credentials. After that, click on this button. Once you are logged into your account, let me explain what is accumulator. So, accumulator bet is a common type of bet where you can choose multiple events that are not related and combine them into one bet, making higher odds but raising the risk of losing at the same time, as you will lose the whole bet if one of the selected market loses. So, this is kind of higher risk, higher reward. Now, to do accumulator, what you'll have to do is select any sport. Then once you're on this section, select multiple bets. For example, I have selected 3 bets. Now, click on this arrow button, and this will be your accumulator. You can enter your stake on this box. Once you enter your amount, click on accept challenge, and that's how you do it. Once you place your bet, all you have to do is wait for your odds to win. If you win the odds, then you'll be profited. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.